Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to go a level up. We are going to practice double digit questions with friends, okay? With the friends that we have done till now, okay? There are more friends, okay? But we are doing this till our small friends and big friends, okay? After this, we have some mixed complement types friends also, that is in future. These are based on our small friends and big friends completely, okay? Let us start. With the B row, A row will be your homework. Okay. So B row, first question. 24 plus 33. Plus 33 means plus 30 plus 3. Plus 30. How can we do plus 30 here? No beats for 30. So formula of 30 plus 50 minus 20. Then plus 3. No beats for plus 3 as well. So plus 5 minus 2. What did I do? I just broke the number 33. What did I do? I did 30 plus 3. I just break the number. 33 was there and I made it 30 plus 3. 33 is what? 30 and 3 only, right? 33. 30 and 3. So that's what I did. I added 30 on the tens rod, 3 on the ones rod. Then less 48. Less 40 here, less 8 here. Less 40. No beats for less 40. So formula of less 40, less 50, add 10. Now less 8. No beats for less 8. So formula of less 8, less 10, add 2. Now plus 21. 20 here, 1 here. 20 here, 1 here. Formula of 1 plus 10 minus 9. But ma'am, you only told us the formula for single digit. How are you doing the double digit formula now? You can take out the double digit formulas from single digit only. How? Say the formula of 2 was plus 5 minus 3. So small friend's formula for 20 will be 50 minus 30. Just add 0 everywhere in the tens ones formula to make it tens formula. Okay. Now, if I ask you the formula of 80, I'm asking the formula of 80. You know the formula of 8, right? It is plus 10 minus 2. Add 0 everywhere in 8's formula. What did you get? 80 equals to 100 minus 20. So 80's formula is 100 minus 20. Whichever tens number you want to know the formula of, just think the ones digit formula of that number and add 0 everywhere and you will get the tens formula. Okay. Another example. Formula of 4 is plus 10 minus 6. Formula of 40 is plus 100 minus 60. Easy. My answer is 30. Let's write it. Don't worry, not every time in your entire life you will rely on formulas only. It is just to make you guys habitual of abacus. That's it, okay? Next, 37 minus 28. Can I do minus 8? No. So formula of minus 8, minus 10 plus 2. Plus 41. Plus 40 I can do. Plus 1. No beats for plus 1. Ma'am, see another formula. Since you guys are, seeing me speaking the formulas again and again, you guys might get confused. That ma'am, every time I have to apply the formula, like everywhere. No. This is just to make you guys habitual. Once you are habitual, no need to apply the formula. It will be by yourself only you will solve it. When sometimes one or two times you are stuck, then you apply the formula. Okay. Means you don't think the formula always. You just apply it directly like that. Okay. So don't get worried. Just my explanation purpose is see that if anyone is getting confused anywhere, so I have to clear it. So that's why I apply the formula and tell you in every part. Okay, you guys can do like that. If you get confused, you watch that. Okay, now 40 I did, plus 1 I have to do. For plus 1 my formula is plus 10 minus 9. I don't have beats for plus 10 also. I will apply the formula of plus 10 first, that is plus 50 minus 40. Then ultimately 1 was supposed to be added. Plus 10 I did, now minus 9. Then minus 25. No beats for minus 20, so minus 50 plus 30, then minus 5. No beats for minus 5, so minus 10 plus 5. My answer is 25. Next, 92 minus 33. Minus 30 here, minus 3 here, minus 30 here. No beats for minus 3 here. So formula of minus 3, minus 10 plus 7. then minus 46. No beats for minus 40 here, uh, no beats for minus 40 here. So formula of minus 40, minus 50 plus 10 and then minus 6 and then plus 20. My answer is 33. Then 41 plus 22. No beats for 20 here, no beats for 2 here. So formula of 20 plus 50 minus 30 plus 2 minus 33. Minus 30 here, minus 3 here. Formula of minus 30 minus 50 at 20 minus 3 can be easily done. Then plus 61. My answer is 91. Next, 75 less 44. So less 40 here, less 4 here. But no beats for less 40 here. So formula less 50 add 10. Then less 4. Less 5 add 1. Minus 27. Minus 20 here, minus 7 here. Minus 20 here, minus 7. No beats for minus 7. So minus 10 plus 3. Plus 31. 30 here, 1 here. 30 here, 1 here. No beats for 1 here. So plus 5 minus 4. My answer is 35. When you guys will do it after practice, no, it will be easy for you, okay? I hope it was clear. Complete the first row and let me know the answers in the comments, okay? Bye bye.